Hey everyone, get ready to spice up your life. We're diving into the hottest travel tips for Cancun, Mexico. Whether you're dreaming of a romantic escape or a wild adventure with your besties, I'm here to spill all the tea on making your Cancun vacation unforgettable. Think turquoise waters, ancient ruins that scream Instagram me, and nightlife that'll make you wanna... Well, you'll see. Let's go. Okay, first things first. Cancun is more than just beaches and booze. Don't even try to at me, history buffs. We're talking ancient Mayan ruins, people. Chichen Itza, one of the new 7 wonders of the world, is a must-see. Picture yourself climbing those epic pyramids, channeling your inner Indiana Jones, minus the whole running from a giant boulder thing. And speaking of Instagram, let's talk Tulum. Those Mayan ruins perched on cliffs overlooking the Caribbean Sea? Drop dead. Gorgeous. Get those filters ready because your followers will be green with envy. Now, if you're looking for a little adventure off the beaten path, get ready to dive into some cenotes. These natural sinkholes are like swimming in a scene from a fantasy movie. Crystal clear waters, ancient rock formations, and maybe a few friendly fish. Just try not to scream too loud if they nibble your toes. Back on land, take a stroll down Playa Delfines. Trust me, the view is everything. Or if you're feeling a little frisky, head over to Zona Hotelera for buzzing energy, vibrant shops, and endless entertainment. Alright, let's talk food, people. Because a vacay without amazing food is like a bad joke. Cancun is a foodie paradise. Whether you're craving authentic street tacos that'll make you want to slap your mama, in a good way, or you're feeling fancy and want a 5-star dining experience. For a real taste of Mexico, hit the streets and find yourself a taco stand. Don't be shy, try them all. Al pastor, carnitas, barbacoa. Just make sure you have plenty of napkins, because things are about to get messy. If seafood is your jam, Cancun won't disappoint. Imagine this. You, a beachside restaurant, the freshest catch of the day, and a margarita in hand. Is this heaven? Pretty darn close. Now, if you're looking to impress your date or just treat yourself like the queen or king you are, Cancun has some seriously swanky restaurants. Porfirio's and Navios are always a good idea, with their stunning views, impeccable service, and food that'll make you want to lick the plate. Don't worry, I won't judge. Alright, party people, it's time to turn up the heat. Cancun's nightlife is legendary, so put on your dancing shoes and get ready for a night you won't forget. Or maybe you will, depending on how many margaritas you have. First stop, Coco Bongo. Think Cirque du Soleil meets a nightclub on steroids. Seriously, this place is insane, with acrobats, live music, and enough confetti to fill a swimming pool. You'll be dancing on tables before you know it. Next up, Mandala. This place is all about that sexy, exotic vibe. Imagine fire dancers, pulsating beats, and enough eye candy to give you a sugar rush. Just try to keep your jaw from hitting the floor. And if you're looking for a more underground EDM-fueled experience, the city is where it's at. This mega club is basically a giant warehouse of bass drops and laser shows. But hey, if you're feeling more chill, Cancun's got you covered. Grab a drink at one of the many beach bars and watch the sunset over the Caribbean Sea. Let's be real, a trip to Cancun wouldn't be complete without some serious beach time. And lucky for you, Cancun's beaches are like something out of a postcard. Playa Norte, baby! This beach is what dreams are made of. Picture powdery white sand, crystal clear turquoise water, and not a care in the world. Grab a good book, slather on that sunscreen, and get ready to soak up the sun. If you're feeling a little more active, Playa Tortugas is the spot for you. Jet skiing, parasailing, banana boat rides. They've got it all. Just try not to fall off and become shark bait. Kidding, kinda. And for my fellow snorkel enthusiasts, Playa Chacmul is a must-visit. Grab your snorkel gear and get ready to explore the underwater world. Alright, shopaholics, listen up. Cancun is a shopper's paradise, whether you're on the hunt for designer duds or unique souvenirs. For a high-end shopping experience, head over to La Isla Shopping Village. This open-air mall has it all: luxury brands, department stores, restaurants, even a canal with gondolas. Because why not? Channel your inner Kardashian and get ready to drop some serious pesos. But if you're looking for something a little more authentic, Mercado 28 is the place to be. This bustling market is a sensory overload in the best way possible, with vendors selling everything from Mexican blankets and pottery to silver jewelry and tequila. Just be prepared to haggle, because nobody likes paying full price. And if you're looking for that perfect Instagram-worthy shot, head over to the colorful Cancun sign. It's basically a rite of passage for any visitor, so strike a pose and show the world you're living your best life. So there you have it, folks, my hot travel tips for Cancun, Mexico. From ancient ruins and cenotes to wild nightlife and stunning beaches, Cancun has something for everyone. Now go pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for some fun in the sun. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides. Until next time, adios.